What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your host, Mark. Thank you guys so much for stopping by today. You know, I'm in my spirit. I'm in my pajamas, my holiday PJs. Nice and comfy. You already know I'm excited because, you know, we took pictures with Santa. Well, the kids did. They ended up having matching PJs, and Haley went out today and she found us some as well. So on Christmas, we're all going to be wearing the same PJs. I love it. I've always wanted to do that. This year, we finally were able to find PJs in everyone's size. But besides the point, we are back with another video, guys, because as you read by the title, yes, we only have 2 weeks left, guys. This week, well, really 1 week left. We're making our $51 deposit, guys. We are now on the road. 1 week left to complete this money savings challenge for 2020. As you may know, this year is ending. It has been a crazy year. It has been hectic. This pandemic has taken a lot of people's lives. And yeah, man, I just, just praying for everyone for better times. This year has been crazy, but that's besides the point. I have a $51 deposit for you guys today. Next week is week 52. I'm going to make a $52 deposit, and next week, that is it, guys. We complete our challenge. We made $1,378. Not we made, but we saved. We worked hard. We saved this money. We didn't touch it. And yeah, guys, I am super excited. I have my chart here to show you from where we started to we are now. I have my fat pouch with all the money that we've been working so hard towards all year long. And I just want to, give a huge shout out to you guys, my supporters. I really do appreciate every single one of you. Thank you for, watching the videos, commenting, giving me, feedback, advice, whatever it is. But here it is, guys. Here's all the money. Right now we have $1,275. As you can see, my chart is pretty much full. We literally have those two weeks on the bottom. One of them is getting crossed off now, and the next one will be crossed off next week, and that'll complete it. So we have 51 here. I'm going to put this where it belongs with the 20s. I have a 10 that makes 50, and I have a dollar bill that makes 51. So our $51 deposit is all done. That is it. I made my deposit. Next week I have one more for you guys, and I am all done. Let's get a quick thumbnail. That's that. We're gonna now cross it off our list, guys, and we're just gonna move on with the night. I appreciate once again everyone for stopping by. These videos, I just do them just to motivate one another, show you my journey from day one till now. It has been hectic, but we have managed to stay strong and continue on the right path. So without further ado, let me grab my Sharpie that fell around here somewhere. I don't even know where it is. Give me a second, guys. Oh, it's right here. So yeah, guys, that is pretty much it. I'm going to cross off week 51. After we just made that deposit, guys, so you guys can see for yourself, we have $1,326. We have one more week. That is week 52. That is next week on December 23rd, right before Christmas, 2 days before Christmas, and we end our challenge. It has been a crazy year, but I'm glad I was able to stay motivated and help you guys as well, and you guys helped me out as well. So that's going to end it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you hit a fat like on this video and subscribe if you're new, and I will really appreciate it. I can't leave without saying, stay safe, but get money. Peace out, Mercado Nation.